Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
The Warms coming from the stage 2 down in Nelson. Roa tana whana, long as his kick. Met by his counterpart there, Tama Whaukuina. Strong scrum there by Raukura. Hansen with the ball now. Tavita Pomale, the strong carry back in field. Tuta Fiver with a strong break. Well supported there by inspirational captain Seteliki Mawheleo. Josiah Graham working in and out. They need to recycle the ball well here at the Ketu at the ruck. Good energy shown by Raukura. Ball going slightly wayward, but that man again, Mawheleo, cleaning up. Edmonds to Hansen. Hansen with a strong carry. Hutchings being a nuisance there in the line-out. Well done, Hutchings from the far north. Maite Nota Hutchings, younger brother, of course, of alumnus of Raukura, Jordan and Max. Strong run there right through the ruck of Hastings boys, and it's that young man, Gariki Rogers. Brown again, hitting Elijah Vui, the tight head prop here for Hastings. Try there to Hastings boys after some hard work. Edmonds with the restart, going deep. Met by fullback Walter Carver. Slicing through the Raukura defence. Out now to their captain Robinson. Really looking to find Hutchings again, who's been impressive. No, going to Mawheleo, the captain. Dariki Rogers with another strong carry into the territory of Hastings boys. Can Raukura improve the recycling here at the Ketu at the ruck? Advantage, he painga ki a Raukura. So let's see if he follows through with Ariki's revised technique for him and is successful. And just like Ariki Henry, clearance to Hansen. Hansen finding Edmonds, backdoor. Finding Tuta Fiver, this impressive fullback from Raukura. Carving up the centre. Finding number 8, Panapapea. Strong drive there from the by Hastings boys. Mike Brown, halfback, adding his presence in there also. Try scored there by Hastings boys after some good crabbing there by Raukura in defence. Referee not happy with an earlier play. Hands in the ruck. Quick tap taken by Raukura. Try there in the McDonald's zone. Chisholm with the feed. Strong scrum again by Raukura. Rogers off the back. Beautiful ball finding Brayley. Brayley using his speed and guile. Would have moved Brayley. Back to his beautiful score there in the corner by New Zealand under-18s, sevens representative Wiramu Brayley, and Chiefs under-18s player from 2023. Good carry there by Lachlan Barco, inching his way forward towards the Raukura line. Hastings being very patient on attack. Raukura being composed on defence. Robinson now is making his way to this far right edge. Tana Whaumuina with the kick. Impressive chase by Rotorua. The kick is successful. Strong carry there near the 10-metre line by Hastings boys. Oh, pass by Whaumuina. Out to try scorer Marshall Landon Lane goes into touch. And that there draws to a close, whānau. That is full time here at Taki Tua Rotorua, where we see local boys, Rotorua Boys High School Rotorua, taking a 1-point win, 22 points to 21.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.